So fellers, old Skylar Slinker decided to come down, bring back the old, come straight down nostalgic lane here. This truck right here, guys, I had to show you. I had to grab the big camera real quick. This truck built our business. Me and my stepdad Brian literally built this. He painted it for me. It still looks so good. I can't get over how good it looks. 10 liter in it, 10 speed in it. It's like the most perfect setup ever. That's a Mr. Meltzer touch right here. I wanted to show you guys this. This is really cool. It's got a pintle hitch and a ball hitch, so you could haul either trailer. You had air setups up here, and you had electric setup over here. I mean, this truck was the skid steer man's dream. Shout out to Skylar. Shout out to the old girl. Here, let's look in it real quick. She's dirty, so she's from Missouri. Hear that old fuel pump, man. I missed her for sure. I used to, back before anything, we had the dually, and this was my runaround truck. I went around and did estimates in this thing. I did everything out of this truck. Went to meetings in this truck. It's the only other truck I had. So Skylar has been around. How long you had it now? 2.5 years?
2.5 years, yeah. Or 3.
It's nuts. So still running him good. So I hate selling stuff to close buddies because you never know how that's gonna work out. And actually it did it's kind of crappy. Literally this first day he goes to put fuel in it, clutch drops out of it. So we had to get square on that. We got square on that. Other than that, it has done him so good, and I'm proud of him. So, oh yeah, go have a good weekend.
You too.
Be safe.
See you, buddy.
Yeah. Let's go. We just gotta go hard. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard. Go hard. Yeah.
This is the first time I've been here though.
Oh, you're at Junction?
Yeah.
You can look at all that deep stuff over there.
I didn't. No, I didn't know where it was.
Yeah.
So I didn't see it.
Right where 210 is.
It's like 18 or something?
16.
16.
Yeah, some deep stuff. Double stack
16
trench box.
foot deep, bro.
Yeah, double stack manhole shields.
Oh yeah.
Freaking look in there, it's deep.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now we're just waiting for them to give us the go ahead on our slope. Because if we run it at what they told us to, we're going to be a little bit high on their existing pipe. So we're just waiting on that. That's why we're not working on that. We're running some fire loops right now.
Sick. Yeah.
$12.85, so $12.92.85.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then east manhole. Give me the invert out.
It's $12.93.24.
$12.93 what?
24. Tier 4.
Okay, so then let me pull my dilly up here.
Loaded dirt out earlier.
Did he?
Yeah,
and then I made him
it was
get
pretty
off.
nostalgic. Dalton kicked me off.
Well, I wanted to pick you guys up. I didn't want to be late, and we got right over it. I Google it, and I'm like, oh, it's just right here. And then we sat over there, and I'm like, this is weird. Where's he at? Yeah, that was my bad. Sorry.
Can Sam
Tiny,
even
dude.
fit in the thing?
Dude, I saw it, and I felt bad immediately.
That is grade A dirt roller right there.
Yeah, he emailed and said, hey, is there any way we can get this swapped out?
He said he had to roll it 8 times for it to pass the density.
Yeah.
See that real nice flat spot right there? That's that spot I dozed out. I'm just letting you know.
The real flat spot?
The real nice
Let's call
flat
Cecil
spot
real
right
quick.
there. That's that spot I dozed out.
Okay, bud. Heck, I mean an $800 GPS that I didn't know I had. It's nice. You gotta give him a, what is this roller, bro? Did you ask for like the smallest roller equipment chair ever had in your life?
I told them the same size as last time. Did they have that one last time?
No.
No. Sam can barely literally fit in a seat in this thing.
I looked up the spec.
It might be 52, but the roller
But
is
it's a
only a
baby.
24-inch roller.
Yeah, dude, the roller
Drum or
itself is like maybe 50 inches. It's called an RC50, so I'm going to assume the roller is. It's cool looking little roller, dude, but not for what's needed out here, bud. I pulled up and I was like, can a cab even consume? Sam? Can you shut the door?
Hang out by the hole, I'm gonna go take a walk. So Northwest Park sewer, been working on the 6-inch most of the way, and that goes, oh, come here, come on, take a walk. Take a walk. Right down there, that's 8-inch. This is it, this is all I got. That last little piece that you see, all the rest of the sewer on this job, as of right now, is done. Minus 2 or 3 little service tie-ins that I gotta do. But other than that, the main line is done. So we laid out, it's 8-inch, everything coming up to, this is like really the main point of all the pipes. You got your 8 coming in, you got a 6-inch run coming in, and then you got an 8-inch run going that way. And the 6-inch run I finished, there's a manhole up there. It goes from 6-inch to that, and then 6-inch all the way up, and we finished, and they did that, poured that manhole last Thursday. This line is 8-inch. Take a look, there's a laser down in there. We've been running this, I think it's like 287 feet at a 1.04%. And we've been running it, and we got it done in about 2 or 3 days. And that's the end manhole on the job down there, and that's manhole 3-1. And as far as the job, all the sewer will be done out here. And then all I have left out here is one water line crossing over there on Sunset. I'm just waiting for an approval on that. I gotta do a little cleanup and stuff, but nothing too crazy out here, man.
Awesome.
Nothing too crazy. We can go look at the hole. So out of that manhole, the 8-inch run that we're laying right now, and it's literally done. I'm digging the manhole right now. That 8-inch run comes from that manhole where we were, straight down this way at a 1.04%. And we've been laying it, and this is the end manhole. There's nothing that goes in this manhole. It's literally the dead end of the line. And we put base back because this is where the new road's gonna be. So for our main line crossing here, we had to put base and everything back so they can build the road on top of it. They're building the road coming this way. So that's why we had to have the base and everything here. And then out into the intersection, man. That's it. Easy money.
I was like, Taylor's gonna rip off his shades and be like, "This is Taylor Recycon!" Like,
Back at it again.
Yeah, back at it
with
again.
another
Huge
manhole.
explosion, bro. Just like, we got another manhole laying down here in Northwest. Just going on.
Explosion right there.
Yeah, no kidding.
All right, I'll add one.
End of line.